garage is so messy, I can't even find a place to stand to film the opening. Hey guys, I'm Leslie. Welcome to today's video. I don't know about you, but it takes a lot of motivation for me to want to clean out my garage. We have like the messiest garage right now. It is a total disaster. And so I thought I'd bring you along. Maybe this will give you some cleaning motivation, maybe give you some tips on how to get yours cleaned out. The first thing that we're going to do today in order to get this garage cleaned up is my number one thing that I think that you have to do in order to actually get it cleaned out how you want. But we're going to take everything out of here because in order to get it out, we can have it start with a clean slate. We can put everything back nice and organized and neat. I have tried to clean this garage with everything in here. All I feel like I'm doing is just moving everything around. We don't want that. So come along, see if this helps you guys out. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and let's get busy.
Until something better came along. Forever, and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. Until something better came along.
Okay, so just for reference, because obviously you've been watching this in fast forward, I just checked the timer and this has taken us only 20 minutes to clear this part out. And so I'm sweeping the floor, and then next all I gotta do is I'm gonna organize things a little better, if I can talk Jason into it. The way I want to organize and the way he wants to organize is a lot different, but that is okay. But look, 20 minutes and I'm completely cleared out, and now I'm sweeping the floor. It's gonna be great. So hopefully that gives you guys a little bit of hope if you're gonna do yours. If you just get in there and you do it really quick, it is not bad. And it is 90 degrees here in Kansas while I'm doing this. So if we can do it in this, you can do it too.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so open.
Jason built these really cool shelves along here with these little brackets, and they just like hang over the back of the wood, and then you can hang everything on them. I doubt he's gonna let me organize this. He gets super, like, it might look like a mess to us, but to him, this is how he knows where it is. So I don't know if he's gonna let me organize this. But the goal of this whole thing is, this is his side of the garage, and the goal of this whole thing is to get his truck parked back inside since it's been such a mess in here. So luckily we have the floor all done. I'll see if he'll let me straighten this up a little bit. But we are so close to having, I'm gonna bring the few things back in. I'm gonna show you everything that I'm taking to the Goodwill and stuff like that. We have lots of stuff to get out of here, so that is making us have so much room, which is nice.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into